Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report looking for your typical cosmetic imperfections. Now this vehicle is going to get brand new tires on it, all 4 of them. Looking at this wheel in gloss black, looks good. I don't see any curb rash. And then here on the fender, there is a little crease right there in the paint with a small scuff. Got a couple scuffs on that fender. This is all blacked out here. You do have a gash there that's been touched up, and a couple chips here. Those have been touched up, these have not. Got a little scuff here. Got a gash right there. That has been touched up. I see a chip right there. A couple little scuffs. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looking at the front end, starting with the edge of the bumper, you do have a graze mark here. Has been touched up. Little chip there. And of course you're going to have little rock chips and impacts throughout this front end. Just kind of notate a few of them. Got a little gash right there. Here on the hood, got a couple chips. Got some in this section. One right there. Then here on this quarter panel, all of that looks good. Wheels look awesome. I don't see any curb rash. And then here in the middle of the door, we have a ding. Got a gash right there. Chip here. A little scratch here. A couple chips. That wheel looks good. You can see the mirror is a little hazy. Other than that, this side looks good. And then looking at the back bumper, we do have a large gash here that has been touched up, and some down here, with a couple more on that edge. A couple gashes right there. Got one right here. You can see some damage in the plastic and on the bumper. Looks like it backed into something, so you got a couple imperfections there. A few scuffs and scratches. Then looking at the engine bay, it's nice and clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now we do have some wear right here. A couple scuffs. The rest of that door panel looks good. We have a ding right here, and this is separating on that seal. This cushion looks good. Got a little bit of wear on this one. A couple tiny stains, but otherwise that seat looks good. Steering wheel looks nice. Got the Bluetooth. All of this looks good. Here on the front right door panel, got a little stain here. A couple spots on that section, but otherwise that door panel looks good. This trim is nice and clean. That bolster looks amazing. Same here. Very little wear. Upper side of the dash looks good. A couple tiny scuffs on that plastic. Little scratch on the plastic here. Everything else though looks really nice. Here on the back right door panel, got a little scratch here on the plastic. Otherwise it looks good. This trim looks nice. You're gonna see a couple stains here and there on the seats. I don't see any rips though. Seat back looks good. Headliner looks nice. The back left door panel looks good. You're gonna see some stains here on the seat. I don't see any rips or tears.